In the Baroque era, you're also going to learn about Petzold and his minuet in G major. That is included in the Anna Magdalena notebook. Now, you will learn also about ornamentation signs to indicate melodic decoration, such as the mordent. Now, be sure to play these for your students or have them sight read the music. In the Baroque era, they had an ornament or embellishment, and it was really fun. It just added to the music. In today's world, we have an app for embellishment and fun. And speaking of apps, we've partnered with Brainscape to create the Ultimate Music Theory Flashcards app. And here's how it works. First, choose a subject from the library, such as the beginner prep level. Then choose one of the 12 decks that correlates to your lessons. Identify the card and tap to indicate how well you knew that card. So measure your progress. Now also, in addition to having all these 6 subjects, you have music trivia. Now music trivia also includes history, such as composers. And with over 7,000 flashcards, including audio, your students are absolutely going to love it. And you can use this on your mobile phone, your computer, or your tablet. So the ultimatemusictheoryapp.com can be used on any device. Now, speaking of flashcards, the Prep 2 workbook includes 80 free flashcards. Now, flashcards are fun drills that dramatically increase retention, and you can use them with your Level 2 and Level 3 workbooks. So you can imagine what your students will come up with, or you'll come up with, using the whiteboard with your flashcards to play, different flashcard games. And Sheila's got a whole bunch of them that I know she plays that she shares with us now and then. Flashcard slap, and of course flashcards and whiteboards, and there's just a gazillion of them. They're super fun. In Level 3, Joanne created Chord Chaos. So simply identify the root quality chords, and this is included in your Level 3 supplemental workbook. You can even color code your functional chord symbols, play them on the piano, write a song. You can use Cheerios or chocolate chips and write the chord chaos on your whiteboard. Change them from bass clef to treble clef. I'm sure you'll come up with lots of ideas for your chord chaos game. It's just fun to play games. So let's play games. Joanne not only designs the UMT games, but she's also a teacher, and she also plays them with her own Theory Club classes. Now, the Prep game Music Theory Game Pack includes 6 laminated games with 36 game variations. So you have a different game for every single week. You can use these with dice, dry erase markers, at the piano, or even with your whiteboard. So have fun playing UMT games. Now, in the Level 3 Supplemental Workbook, you will have analysis and sight reading. Now, composer Julianne Workentine is a compelling composer. She's imaginative, creative, and she draws us into her magical world of music. In Level 3, Julianne's composition is called The Little Hamster, and reviews the concepts learned in this lesson and also in previous lessons. So first, analysis. The analysis includes key signature, 8VA terms. We're looking at Rollantando, identifying tonic or dominant triads, phrases identified as A, same, A1, similar, or B, different. Really go through the music, answer all of the questions as indicated on the page, and then enjoy sight reading the music. And again, do a little video, send me your video, or you could always compose another, 8 measures if you'd like to keep the thread going of the little hamster's adventure. Now, today we learned the 3 C's for teaching Level 3. Captivating chords, listen and play chords that capture emotion, creative composition, express yourself in a unique way, compelling composers, create music that evokes interest, emotion. And I have one more bonus C for you as a teacher. The bonus C is the complete Ultimate Music Theory Certification course. To complete the Ultimate Music Theory Certification course, thousands of music teachers have found massive success in their teaching as they use the proven step-by-step Ultimate Music Theory system. The Ultimate Music Theory Certification course is an online teacher training program that will elevate your professional development. UMTC examiner Sheila McKibben-Uran and I invite you to join the Ultimate Music Theory family, enroll today, and get certified. And we are here to support your learning and walk with you every step of the way. Simply go to ultimatemusictheorycourse.com for all the details and to enroll now. Our special guest is Karen with a C. And here's what Karen Wool had to say as she completed the Ultimate Music Theory Certification course.
My name is Karen Worrell. I'm a teacher first and a pianist second. The Ultimate Music Theory course has opened up a whole new world for me. It's like learning a new level of the music language. I decided that theory was a weak part of my piano training. With Glory's step-zone learning method, her knowledge of neuro-linguistic programming, and her talent for teaching, this has made this experience efficient and meaningful. UMT has been helpful with kids and adults alike. I like to give answers to their why questions. They can really own their music learning in a way that do what I say teaching never could. The flashcards and the workbooks and the UMT app are a fun way to approach the theory, knowledge, and solidify the learning. Gloria and her team are always ready to help with clever teaching tips and mnemonics to keep your memory sharp. Gloria's positive encouragement and understanding of what it is to teach music and theory make me feel so supported. I am deepening my understanding of theory and preparing my students to do the same. I hope you will teach with passion, as Glory says.
Thank you, Karen. Be sure to get registered for the UMTC course and grab your UMT workbooks and supplemental workbooks, games, and of course your Solantito Stuffies pack. And remember, speed of implementation. Implement the lessons learned today. Enter your questions in the chat box and I'll be sure to answer them for you. I'm Glory St. Germain. Teach with passion.